Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to block shows on Disney+. First, click on your profile picture and click on Edit Profiles. Choose a profile where you want to block shows and click on this pencil icon. Now, as you can see, you have two options. You can either activate Junior mode or you can select Content Rating and select the rating, so you'll have to add your password in order to change this one. And as you can see, you can select 0 plus, 6 plus, 9 plus. Basically, you can select exactly what year your kid is, and that way you can select and block shows that are not recommended to him. So just select the show, select the age, and press save. Now the second option is to click on Junior mode. So enable Junior mode, and as you can see, you can also enable kid-proof exit, so you can make it harder to leave Junior mode with a simple question. So enter your password, and right now click on continue. So it is really simple. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.